What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm your girl Learner Marie, and today for you I have a super exciting video. We're doing an organization video. I'm going to take you along the journey with me because we are doing reorganizing my top bedside drawer. Now this obviously has to house all of our necessities, so we're going to go from start to finish on how we reorganize everything, because I'm not going to lie to you. Right now we're writing the Hot Mess Express, and I mean we are writing it full throttle. It's a mess, but hopefully after today it'll look better, because let's face it, we have to have everything we need and accessible in this drawer to keep us comfortable for our 8 hours of sleeping at night, and maybe, you know, a little bit before that when we use our phone and all that good stuff. So if you're into this sort of video, definitely consider subscribing and hitting that little bell so you're notified. I do a lot of lifestyle, mommy, organization videos here on my channel, and I would just love to have you guys. I'm gonna list everything. I'm gonna list so many things until I can't list any more down below for you guys, because I love having your back like that. I always like to have a lot of information, and I feel like my goal here today is to add value to you, and if I don't add value to you, then why am I even making a video, right? So I'm gonna list my website and also my Amazon influencer link that has all of my favorites, because let's face it, all of our favorites are most likely on Amazon. So I'm happy to say that I have so many favorites on there that you guys have access to. Now if you feel like depositing some positive energies, give your girl a thumbs up. I'd so appreciate it. Now, question of the day is your top drawer organized right now? And what is the one item that you absolutely need in your top drawer? Let us know in the comments below, and just come say hi, even if it's just one little emoji. I just love seeing you guys and getting to know you. I feel like I'm really creating some great relationships and friends down below, because I always try to answer you guys. If you have questions or anything down below, I will always answer you guys back as best as I can. So without further ado, if you guys want to see what's inside my top drawer and how we get organized and how it ends up looking in the end, then just keep watching. Like a fever, Alright you guys, so this is inside my top drawer. Now, you may be wondering, you love to organize. Why is it so disorganized? Well, I'll tell you, because I've learned over the years, as someone who loves organizing, I am so good at paying attention to detail. But I've learned that people that like to organize and pay attention to detail are usually messy people, because they just focus too much on tiny things. So now what I've learned as I got older, sometimes you gotta shove stuff in a drawer because you just want it clean. You know what I mean? So I like to have my room clean at all times, because it just, when it feels messy, I feel out of whack. So just like this drawer, I don't like the way that I feel, but I just wanted my room clean. So sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So now that my room's clean, I can focus on the details, which the top drawer is one of those details. So I've just been shoving stuff in here. I went on vacation, we got sick, there was just so many things going on. So now I'm able to take the time that it needs, because I feel like with organizing, that's really important too. You have to give yourself enough time to get the project completely done. So now that I have time and I can focus like I really want to, because this is the part that I enjoy, not the cleaning part, I'm gonna start taking everything out of the drawer so you guys can see how messy it really is. So we're just gonna take everything out and hopefully have a home like this. I don't really keep M&Ms in my drawer, but my toddler is potty training, so you know, you have some random stuff in here. Okay, I'm so excited to show you. This is what it looks like. I'm so happy. It may not look as divided, but it actually is. There's sections here, but I'm gonna get into that and show you guys every little detail and take you and give you a little tour. But I just wanted to say, I need everything by my bedside, just in case it's one of those mom days. I'm dead dog tired. I literally can't move my body. I have those a lot. Whew. Once you hit 30, it's just like, okay, body, get to work. So anyways, and two, if I go on a date night, I have one too many cocktails with my hubby, whatever it is, I want to have everything here accessible. So I'm just like, yeah, and shuffling through here, but everything is here just in case. This first section here, they're socks, but they're moisturizing socks. So you put your lotion on and then you put them on your feet and they make your feet so soft. I love doing it, especially like right after I get a pedicure. You can like, keep your pedicure going longer having these socks. Then in this section here, I have deodorant. This is not my favorite deodorant. I'm gonna switch to one of the brands they have at Target, but I just bought a bunch of them from Dollar Store. So I'm like, okay, let's just use these up and then we'll switch over. Cause I've used natural deodorant before and this stuff still, I'm not fond of it. Okay, anyways, then I have some eye drops. And then I have contact solution and a little contact case. I will try to find this. I've tried to find it before, but it's super old, so I don't know if I can find it. All right, then in this back area here, I just stuck this here because it makes me happy and I'm not using it in one of my purses right now, so I just stuck, I have one of these like super long, I believe this is like a 6-foot quarter. So I just stick that in there. All right, so here I have some Neutrogena wipes. Just like I said, if your girl's feeling super lazy, I can just at the very least, take my makeup off. And I always use 2 wipes. Oh, like that's any better or anything. So then under here I have some, these are like moist wipes. I can just wipe my hands off. They have vitamin E in them. I got these from the dollar store. But I just like having some kind of wipe other than face wipes next to me. Then I'm gonna lift this up here. So I have just this little brush I got from Walgreens, which I love. It's so cute. Actually, it works really well. It's got wire instead of plastic, which I kind of like. And then I have this, I think it's, yes, Simply Pink. Simply Pink, yeah. It smells like candy. So if you don't like sweet scents, you're not gonna like it. But I like having this by my bed just in case I get out of the showers, when I smell like candy, you know what I mean? Usually when I put perfume on, my husband knows like, okay, fair game. So, you know, we gotta smell good for our hubby. So then in this back container, I have some little matches from a resort in Napa. I really like how cute that little case is. I have some Tylenol back here. And then I have this, I decanted this. Sorry, it's super bright. I don't know why it's so bright. Let me block the light a little bit. Okay, but I got this little container and decanted it in here, and this is magnesium spray. I suffer from really bad hip pain and stuff, so I like to have things next to my bed that, you know, help my pain. So this is definitely one of those things. Okay, next up we have these little wipes I got off of Amazon. These are for your glasses. So if you have reading glasses, I can't find mine, but I need these by my bedside so I can wipe my glasses off. And this is a really good hack for you guys. I always keep these little alcohol pads by my bed because your phone is disgusting. They've done studies. It's actually dirtier, your phone, than a public toilet or something crazy like that. Definitely look it up because it creeps me out. So every night I try to wipe my phone off with an alcohol wipe, or just whenever I can and I think about it. So I like having them here and accessible. Then I have 2 scrunchies because, you know, I'm a 90s kid. But no, I love having scrunchies by my bed because they're so much better for your hair. I have them in my bathroom as well, but just in case I forget in the bathroom, I have a couple here. And then I have this EOS. You guys have seen this before. Let me block the light a little bit, but I love this EOS. It smells so good. And then I have some Tic Tacs because sometimes if I'm going to bed and I just need one little Tic Tac to like curb my appetite so I don't go down and eat a bowl of ice cream. I try not to keep ice cream in the freezer just for that reason, but I like having these here. And then I have this, oh, and you know, I took my other one out. That's my absolute favorite. This one's expensive, the other one's way cheaper. This is a Dior one, which I love this one. Don't get me wrong, it works super good. It's Lip Glow Color Reviver, but it's just, I love this, it's good. But I have my other one, I think it's called Hanalei, that's what it's called. So I'll link it for you guys and I'll post a picture here and show you guys what it looks like. But that's the one I use like regularly. I've shown it on my Instagram and stuff. And if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely check it out because I post stuff there that you may not see as often on there. Okay, then on the side here, I have a bunch of stuff. I got this tray, I think I got this from Target, just so you guys know. Oh, let me get into this first. So I got these containers from Amazon, and if you can see right here, there's little grooves so you can make them smaller, but I wanted them bigger, obviously. Now I don't need an abundant amount of stuff because it's by the bedside, it's for emergencies. I can get my little lazy butt up, but when I'm lazy, I have everything here. Hair ties, bobby pins, earplugs. I don't normally like having earplugs because I want to be able to hear my kids, but there's some nights where just like, I need some earplugs because I'm like super jumpy. If you're a mom, you know, like every little noise wakes you up and you don't get good rest. But anyways, I'll show you guys the noisemaker I use. And then I have some little clips just in case I want to clip my hair out of the way for whatever reason. I have some Q-tips and some floss. But I love having this little thing. And this just sets right on top of here like that. And then if I need to get underneath, I just can grab it out. So I like the way that it's set up. Now we're gonna move into the side here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but back here I just have this sheet spray. It's by the Honest Company. So hopefully you guys can see this, but this is Air and Fabric Freshener by the Honest Company. Lavender vanilla. It smells so good, you guys. And you can just spray this on the sheets before you get in, and it's all natural ingredients. It's hypoallergenic, so it's not gonna cause any skin problems. So, and it smells so good, you guys. I'm obsessed with this stuff. So definitely check this out. I have a link in my bio because I use literally their products for everything. I used it for their diapers. You can get a monthly subscription. I do a bundle of the products for home care, and then I also do a bundle for the diapers. So I definitely love the Honest Company. One of my absolute favorite companies. No, this video is not sponsored. Honest Company, holler. Okay, so then I have a little notepad because sometimes your brain just goes and goes and goes at night and you just need to dump information, and sometimes you just need a pen and paper to do it. I do it on my phone a lot of the times, but sometimes it's not enough and I can't get it out fast enough. So this is where those crazy ideas are made. Then in this little container here, I'm pretty sure I got this at the dollar store. So inside I just have like some nail clippers and different things like that. I like having this next to my bed. Then I have this thing that you roll the side of your face. This just definitely looks questionable material, but I promise you it's for your face. And it's for lymphatic drainage. So you massage this around your jaw, like so if your jaw was here, it would go like that around your jaw. And it's so nice, it feels so good. And there's all these different things on lymphatic drainage if you guys are interested, but I try to massage my face regularly, especially because I'm a teeth grinder, which is so horrible and it's like uncontrollable. So this definitely gives me some relief. And last thing in here is my remote. Now I have a Sleep Number bed, and you can basically set your bed on whichever setting you want. I'm obsessed with this. Like I said, I have hip problems from having 4 kids, and I'm telling you right now, I could not sleep on anything else right now. It's so expensive, but I was literally dying every night. I would be crying hysterically because I couldn't sleep. I would literally be sleeping sitting up when I had my last 2 pregnancies. It was so bad, but now that I have this, I'm so grateful, and I hope it never goes out because I need it. This is the cord that I use beside my bed. I really, really like this one. So I just wanted to show you guys, it's a part of my bedside. So that is gonna be included in here, but I love this cord. I've been using it for a really long time, so I can definitely vouch for it. This is the side of my bed. Now, I always have this here. This is by Command Hook. I'm obsessed with this. So here's my dresser right here, and this is literally like taped to the side, basically. Let me show you guys what it looks like. All right, so here's the tape. I don't know if you guys can see that. The line needs to be cleaned. Okay, so on the side here, I just like having things I needed to grab really quickly. So I like having lotion, and I'll put my Hanalei goes in here, which I stole from this and had my kids bring it to me by the couch. But I have my blue light glasses because if I'm in my phone or whatever, I still like to have this. And I'll insert a pic here of the necklace that I always use with this, because I feel like if I'm gonna be in my phone or editing, I need to have them with me. So I like keeping them by my bed, and then I'll take them wherever I need to throughout the day. I'm gonna get an extra set though, so I can put them in my mommy caddy. And if you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. But I'm just using this cocoa butter, and then I always have a sleep mask, which I think is important if you're trying to prevent wrinkles. It's satin, and that's what actually really helps it. So my necklace and my Hanalei also go in here, like I said, but that's pretty much what I like to keep in this little caddy here. Another thing I wanted to show you guys was this pillow. You can fold it like this, and you're essentially laying on the pillow to where your face is not getting wrinkled. So it goes right here. Now, you can't use this because I have a silk pillow here too. I love this pillow. This is my pillowcase. And oh, you know what? I'll link the pillows too, because I really like these pillows. If you like soft pillows that have a little bit of firmness but are also super soft, this is a great option. Now this pillowcase is from Amazon, and so's that pillow, but you can't use them together because you'll be sliding all over the place. If I'm gonna use that, and it just depends on my mood, honestly. If I use this, I have to use like a regular pillowcase. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my bedside drawer organization video. I had so much fun doing it. And you guys, like I said, my goal here is to add value to you. So if you can use anything I showed you here today, give your girl a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for, girl? Subscribe and hit that little bell so you're notified. Like I said, I'll list everything down below for you and answer that question of the day. Do you guys have an organized drawer? And what is your one item that you would like to see or have to have inside of that drawer? Let us know in the comments below. And if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. Leave us a bed emoji down below and let us know that you did. Thank you guys again, and until next time, I'm always your girl, London Marie.